there, everyone. Welcome to Maya's singing playlist. My name is Maya, and I am going to sing Barking at the Moon by Jenny Lewis from Bolt. Let's do this thing. I have got so much to give, I swear I do. I may not have 9 lives, but this one feels brand new. Yes, I lived a good one. I have tried to be true. There are some things I never realized till I met you. How the wind feels on my cheeks when I'm barking at the moon. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. Woo woo, here I come. Woo woo, back to you. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. Well, I was in trouble bad. I was so confused. I may not see in color, babe, but I sure can feel blue. I have been a lot of things. They may not all be true. My experience was so mysterious till I met you. Now the sun will rise in the east, but I'm barking at the moon. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. Woo woo, here I come. Woo woo, back to you. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. There is no home like the one you got, 'cause that home belongs to you. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for listening to my song. That was terrific to make the right position. Please make sure you comment down below, like, and subscribe on my channel. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye for now, my friends.